Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix Rockstar games not games launcher is not working. This is a problem. Then step by step follow to solve this problem. Then first step for stop the background applications for anyone background running to get stop. And second method for and and restart 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 the PC. Okay, then reset to anyone background or running to anyone graphical issues to restart them to this is the problem issues for solved. After you will get check this problem for fix it to get into the game, but not fix it to you will come to the next step. Then second step for run the launcher in admin. Get started with this launcher, then right click to the properties to you will click to the compatibility. Then you will enable the run as program as an administrator. Then enable to click to apply, click to OK. Update the graphics driver. Then next step for you will get open the device manager. You will double click to open the display adapters. You will see the graphics card. Then right click to update driver. Then next step for update the Windows. Anyone updated not updated the Windows to this error issues confirm, then you will get update to get solve this problem. Okay, then get open the settings, click to the update and security, click to the Windows update, then you will click to the resume update. Then next step for this for step for not responding to you will reinstall the launcher. Okay, then anyone doubt to pin the command. Then thank you for watching.